How to deactivate Facebook and Messenger account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll guide you on how you can deactivate Facebook and Messenger account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, one thing is that your Messenger account comes from Facebook, so when you deactivate your Facebook, your Messenger will also get automatically deactivated by itself. In order to do this, go ahead and then make sure to launch the Facebook application here. Tap the three lines option located at the top right, then tap the gear icon that you can find here. Then from here, just go to Account Center tab. Once you go to Account Center, go to Personal Details, go to Account Ownership and Control, and go to Deactivation or Deletion. Once you've done that, select your Facebook account, select Deactivate account here, tap on Continue, and then again just enter your password to continue, and then tap on Continue, and your Facebook account and Messenger account will get successfully deactivated. This way you can deactivate both your Facebook and Messenger. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.